Hello, third grade. I hope you are excited to start on your Cubist Collage project. So what you'll need to begin this project today, you'll need a couple sheets of different colored construction paper. So I grabbed 4 pieces of construction paper, and then I also have a sheet of this music right here because that is also a really cool kind of paper that you can cut some of your different shapes out of. I also have scissors, a pencil, and eraser, and you'll probably want your sketch that you made last week of your musical instrument and the different shapes that you have. So I am going to start with, let's start with my yellow piece of paper. I'm going to go ahead and clear the rest of my pieces away. On my yellow piece of paper, I'm going to start drawing some of the shapes that I know I want to be yellow. So I want one side of my violin to be yellow. I know that part. All right, and make sure that you're drawing everything nice and big. We want to make sure that we can see everything super easily. And then I have a couple just little background shapes that I want to be able to include in here as well. Okay, so you're going to draw all of your shapes on your different pieces of paper. I'm going to go ahead and do that and meet you back here in just a moment. All right, everyone, so once you have your shapes drawn onto your different pieces of colored paper, you can put the pencil and eraser away. You'll want to grab a pair of scissors and you'll want to cut each of your shapes out. So again, I'm going to go ahead and do that and we'll be back in just a second. All right, everyone, so once you have finished cutting all of your shapes out, I actually want you to hang on to these until next week when we talk about actually arranging your collage. So because we don't want to lose anything, particularly if you have smaller pieces, I would recommend getting either an envelope or folding a piece of paper in half and stapling it on the side. So that way you have a place to keep your shapes nice and safe until next week. So as you can see, I have a couple shapes that are going to be a little bit too big to actually fit in here. That's okay. This is still going to keep them together and keep them pretty organized until we actually finish up with our collage next week. All right, so with that, I can't wait to share with you guys next week how we're going to finish up with our collages.